Linking your bank account to Netflix allows for seamless payment for your subscription. Follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Log into your Netflix account. Visit the Netflix website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Choose Payment Method. In the account settings, look for the Membership and Billing section. Here, you will find an option to update your payment method. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Add bank account details. Select the option to add a new payment method. Choose bank account if available and enter your bank account details as prompted, including your account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes to link your bank account to your Netflix subscription. Now you are all set to enjoy your Netflix subscription with your bank account linked for easy payments.